Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw crypto from KuCoin. So first thing that you can do is go to your assets and then go to your main assets, and here you can click withdraw. Here what you can do is you can withdraw, for example, let's withdraw USDT, and obviously here we need an address, right? We need another KuCoin wallet address that we're going to be basically depositing to, right? Because we're basically withdrawing our money from our wallet and depositing to other wallet. So here you can basically paste the address, you can put the network, right? And then obviously the amount, right? Withdrawal amount. So it's very simple again, and you can withdraw it right here. You can obviously also deposit right here as well, and then click on the deposit that you want to deposit. So it's pretty self-explanatory, right? It's really simple, similar like on Binance and Coinbase. So if you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.